What are the forms used in the application of PD programs for CPD accreditation? Requirements are: number 1, the application for accreditation of CPD program. Number 2, the certificate for participants attend this sample only. Number 3, program of activities showing time, duration of topics, workshop, and resource persons. Number 4, the instructional design, professional teachers. And number 5, the evaluation method or tool that measures the learning gained by the participants. Number 6, the resume of the resource persons, including the required attachment. And the last, number 7, is the valid professional identification card, the receipt of renewal of resource persons if licensed or registered professional. Otherwise, submit a copy of a valid government or company issued identification card.